this video, we will show how to download the Aqua Alert app and pair it with your 8.9 control valve. First, we're going to click on the App Store logo and download the free Aqua Alert app onto your device. Type in Aqua-Alert into the search field and then click on the blue search button. You should then see the Aqua Alert logo as seen here, and then you can click on Get or Open, and then the app will download onto your device. Once the download is complete, click the Open button and then click on the Allow button in order for Aqua Alert to send you notifications. Then click on the New User located at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and it'll take you to this page where you'll be able to type in your email address and you can enter in your own password as well. Once you've done so, please click on the Read Privacy Policy and Terms and Conditions written in blue. A pop-up screen will now appear which contains the Aqua Alert privacy notice. Please scroll through and read the entire document. When you've completed reading the document, you may then return back to the Aqua Alert app. Place a check mark beside Agree this disclaimer and click Confirm. The next step is to pair your Aqua Alert app with the control valve. If the control valve's display screen is in lock mode, press and hold the menu button for about 5 seconds until you hear a beep to confirm that you have unlocked it. Then click the Start Pairing button on the Aqua Alert app. It'll then start searching to connect with the control valve. Once they have paired, it'll state Online on the control valve display screen, and on the app it'll show Configure successfully. You have now successfully paired the system.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-288-9888.